Have you ever wondered how professional photographers capture stunning images with such balanced exposure? The secret lies in a versatile tool called ND filters. ND, or neutral density, filters are essential for controlling the amount of light that enters your camera, allowing you to create breathtaking images in various lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or long exposures, mastering ND filters will elevate your photography game. One of the main advantages of using ND filters is their ability to reduce the amount of light without altering the color or other aspects of the scene. This allows you to capture long exposures in broad daylight, transforming ordinary scenes into dreamy, ethereal landscapes. Another benefit of ND filters is their ability to control dynamic range, ensuring that both bright and dark areas of your image are properly exposed. This is especially useful during sunrise or sunset, where the sky tends to be much brighter than the foreground. By using an ND filter, you can achieve a well-balanced exposure, resulting in stunning images. ND filters also give you the creative freedom to experiment with different shutter speeds. By slowing down the shutter, you can capture smooth, silky waterfalls or create mesmerizing light trails from moving vehicles. These artistic effects are only possible with the help of ND filters. To maximize the potential of ND filters, it's important to choose the right filter strength for your shooting conditions. Whether you opt for a light ND2 filter or a strong North Dakota 16 filter, selecting the appropriate strength will help you achieve the desired effect and maintain full creative control. In conclusion, ND filters are powerful tools that can unlock new possibilities in your photography. By using them effectively, you can capture stunning images with balanced exposure, control dynamic range, and experiment with creative long exposures. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more photography techniques, make sure to subscribe to our channel for future updates and tips.